Yo, what's up, guys? So today I am showing you the easiest way to get coins in the Roblox Starcoat Mall Stranger Things event. As I and my last video was about this one too, but in that I was showing you how to get the Dustin hat. But this is like how to get more and more coins easily. Okay. So the game is loading. Okay, now wait, what? Yes. So first, what you gotta do? Yes, now it is loaded. So sometime it's like if you click on this telephone thing right here, it will show you these tasks you gotta do. If you do those tasks, you gotta come over here to Mike. This guy's name is Mike, so you need to come to Mike. Then he will give you 100 tokens, 100 star coins. I mean, star coins is the money for this game, but it is kind of, some of them are easy, some of them are hard, like this. In this scoops ahoy one, I mean in this delivery dash mini game, you have to do it in 8 seconds, then only then you will get it, and that also in one try, so that's pretty hard. Now go over to the dueling dice place. Yeah, so if you don't know where it is, you can just see Will over here. So that is an idea for you. Okay, now as you can see in the bottom right, I have 1801 star coins. So I have a lot of them, and just I have all of them just by playing this game. Now, if you do this in these tables, you will play it in the side of the wall, this side and that side. It will just glitch a lot, so I recommend that you can do here in middle. Any chair is fine, but just do it in middle. Now you can just play it. Now you have to wait just 9 seconds. If 9 seconds no player will come, it will be a bot. And if somebody comes, you will play with. So I recommend using Sheila the Thief because she has a lot of HP, 95 HP, the most of the HP. Now my opponent is the bot only because nobody came. Oh, he has Presto the Magician. She took his own power out. Lol, dude. See, I still have only 95 on 95 and he still has 40 on 75. I took some damage there, but it's okay. He still has less damage than I do. You see, it's so easy in Sheila the Thief. Okay. And now this is dead. 18, and now I will do it. Yes, now he got damaged. Yes, I also got damaged. And yes, nobody got damaged. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I lost that, but I still get coins. Okay. So just play it. You don't need to win or lose. You can do just anything. Just play it. Okay, so I recommend doing that. So alright you guys, that's the easiest way to get more and more star coins in the Stranger Things event. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I think I'm